I haven't been able to upload any videos because I was sick this past few weeks. Past few days. Char. Yeah, even until now, napakoy sipon and ubo. So we will be doing a new makeup today, makeup tutorial. It's not actually a tutorial, but I just want to do this because I love this. I love doing makeup. I love painting my face. That's my, how I relieve my stress, something like that. So let's start. And yeah, as you can see, I already did my eyebrows because dugay kayo ni siya humanon and muna siya. So giuna na lang nako, and then let's go ahead and let's start. So yeah, we will be using this one as moisturizer. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure your hands are sanitized before you... Oh, nahulog siya, besh. Akong phone. See, tanggal. May pang phone na fall. Siya, watch. Jima lang! Ang ilok. Great, so atala na siyang paughang gamay. Alright, so we're done. And the next one is the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in a shade of 220. Yeah, 220. So, wala na gito siya sulod, guys. Pahulot na gito siya. Ako na siyang ginani. And then, I'll just use my number 13 brush from Smashbox. Yep, Smashbox. Okay, so now, I'm gonna use my sponge na. Kalimta ng atong mga liugin ha, kay part na siya sa package. Part of the package na siya, besh. So dapat ato ng kuluran o kapil. So next is contour. You'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me na parang same with the concealer type, but this shade is 30 Cafe. First time na ko use ang yun ha, then I don't know, para ninyo guys, buhaton ako ang tanan. Kaya wala niya gibuhat sa ako ang tanan. So, ako na lang ang buhat. So, ato ginapil na itong mga apapangig na ala Tony Gonzaga. Diyan man lang ha. Peace, yaw. O, diba? Ang galing! Ang galing! Galing kong sumayaw! Galing kong gumalaw! So guys, I am a frustrated singer. Yeah, you heard it right. For the concealer, ako ang gamiton is, dili siya branded, baratuhon lang. Iyang name is Skill Cover. I don't know, basta man na siya. Gamay lang kay murag gabi ni siya ka kayag na. Masyaka anig kuan di oras. Patay. Unsaon na gina. Iahat na like kuan. Grabe kaputi. Oh my god. Unya kay murag grabe na magining kaputi ang atong concealer nga gigamit di atay. So mag-bronzer tabi. So lagi di siya maayo guys. Huwag niyong tularan. It's Summer Eclipse. Yep, it's Summer Eclipse na bronzer. So we're done, and of course, iset na to. So for the setting powder, I'm using the Ben Nye. Okay, so we're done, and let's start with our eyeshadow. Yeah, nag-bake ta. Later on, maluto na siya. So, right now, mag-eyeshadow na ta, and I'm going to use this Huda Beauty palette na, yeah, this and then this one. So, we're going to do an orangey look today. I think I'm gonna use a small brush first, this one. Wow, grabe ka pigmented. Grabe, hurat akong bilib. Dito na ito. Grabe ka siya kapigmented yun. Diba, lahirag yun siya. Then, next, Anna, is using this fluffy, small brush. I'll be adding this light color. This one, hindi siya maklaro. Sandalwood. Orange ni siya ang color, but I don't know, hayag lang yung siguro kayo. Yeah, that's it. Kana. I don't know lang ha. Yeah, nowadays, makeup vlogs are really kanang in good kaayo nowadays. But for me, this is just for fun. Because kanang wala lang. Mawala akong stress if mag-makeup ko and yeah, mag-video ko, i-film na ko because I wanted to share it to anyone. I want to show the world, the universe rather, that I am confidently chat. This is what I do if day off na ko because yeah, it relieves my stress. So muna siya mag-makeup na lang ta. Nagplan ko, ahot doon ako akong makeup gamit ba in one day. Fuck! Luyos akong naong no. Kaya ito na nagkuwang. So kung kinsa tayo ganahan magpa-makeup din ha, yeah, just for fun lang ha. Dili gid nga na makeup with na event. Just for fun lang yun. Ganahan kayo ko. You can come by sa house. Char. Yeah, pwede kayo mamanhi pa-makeup. Yeah, lingaw-lingaw lang. Inani, like chika-chika, di ba? If wala mo ibot sa inyong balay, then go ahead. Come on here. Next is I'm going to apply, so using the small brush, and I am going to add this on top of my eyelids. Wow, amazing. I'm putting an eyeliner, black eyeliner, and I am using the LA Girl. There's a lot of powder inside my eyes. So, anyway, sige lang, magpadayo na ta sa itong ibati din. So, mag-curls ako sa akong eyelash and then after this, mag-add na ko mascara. So, let's put mascara on our eyelashes. And I am using this, yeah, again, MAC Studio. This is really nice. So, let's add a mascara. Yeah, ako na siya. Naku, daghan diri nga mga single, I don't know, sa tawag ano. Mga single nga i-add na mga eyelash. But, lisod, di ko kabaw saan pag-add. Yeah, that's right. So, I'm gonna apply mascara and I'll see you guys in just 1 minute. So, let's continue. orange makeup look today, and I hope you guys like it because I really do like this. Yeah, as in so much, very much. Tanang much. Tanawa good. Diba? Ang ganda. Char. Anyway, I didn't know orange was really good in the eye. Yeah, it looks like a sunset. See that? This is just so simple lang, and I hope you guys like it. And also, please don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is just for fun, and I hope you guys love this look, love what I'm doing, because I also love what I'm doing. And yep, so that's it. See you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys like it. So bye guys, hope to see you again on my next video, and thank you so much. Take care.